there. Here we are back at the mega HVAC heaven. And here are some carriers. These two are running. 2006? No, 2009? What? I thought these would be... I expected these to be newer. Yeah, these are 05, 09. These are from 2009. Yeah, I thought they would be newer than that. It's quiet. Look at this beautiful lake. I like a good apartment complex that is full of lakes. And this one's running here. One of them just turned on, but I'm not sure which one it was. Wait a minute. This looks like the place with all the Goodmans, but I don't think it is. Because I only see carriers over there, but I swear the place with the Goodmans was next to the lake as well. I'm assuming they're all the same, like from 2009. Oh wait, that's a dead end there. Never mind. Thought there was a path that goes like all the way around. There's not. I hear the echo of 1,000 scrolls. Yeah, literally everywhere. And actually a bunch of them are running. Like there's a bunch in there as well. There's these 4 over here. And these ones here. None of these are running though. Them are actually kind of noisy. These are some of my favorite types of air cons actually. I'm gonna go over there. But one of those sounds very nice. I'm gonna go this way. Which one of these is running? There's this middle one here. And these buildings are like full of carriers. All of those are Smart Comfort carriers. But now I'm seeing some Weather Kings as well. So I think we might be... Something just turned on. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was a York. Oh, look at these little guys. These little guys. These guys are afraid of humans. Who's that one there in the middle? Birds. And this one just turned off. That one sounds interesting. Here's a Grand Air. That Bristol Recip. And this looks like a new one. And there are these birds everywhere. Look at those. Literally birds everywhere. Yeah, that's Florida. Carriers are running. Okay, I'm gonna try to find the old Weather Kings that have newer compressors in them. Carriers everywhere. Here's 2 new Smart Comforts. They're brand new. Oh, this one's running. Yeah, this is a 2025 model. Copeland Emerson Scott. This is a And there's a bunch of like carrier comforts right there. And this little one also is running. Oh wait, there's the place with the trains. What the heck? What is this one? This one is like a weird color. Look at that. There's a private jet up there. What the hell? This one's all rusted. Look at that. Some like tree growing inside them. That's weird. Anyways, I think I hear the noisy train. Or I hear something that sounds pretty noisy. Wait, no way it's coming from here. Oh no, it's coming from... Huh? Maybe it's not an air conditioner. Maybe it is. What the hell? That one just turned off. What the hell? It sounds terrible right now. Oh. No, this doesn't sound good. Wait, which one is it? One of these sounds absolutely terrible. Well, it's working fine, but it didn't sound like that last time. It's making this really high-pitched ringing sound. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I actually went to this part of the complex because I don't remember seeing this guy here. Copeland swell compressor. This one sounds awesome. Well, there's one Goodman, and most of them are Cumberlands. Might have gone here already, actually. There's a lizard on this one. Il Ristolio. There's a noisy one somewhere over here. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's this Weather King here. It sounds awesome. Well, that one's pretty noisy. Sounds like it has a Tecumseh recip. But it's probably a Copeland or a Bristol. Probably a Copeland, I don't know. Oh, this one's ringing. This one has a unoriginal Bristol. It's got a very nice startup sound, actually. Oh, this one has a nice sound. Oh, one of these, no, it's just this one that's running. This one's super quiet. Oh, that's quiet. Okay, where were all those other ones? Like the ones with the new... I'm trying to find the one with the new Copeland compressor. And this one in the middle, I think. It sounds more like a train. What the heck? There's a Bristol, of course. Oh, that has a nice compressor sound. Huh? Oh, I think that also might be an unoriginal... No, it's not. Yeah, they have Bristols. Of course they have Bristol fire. Gotta watch out for those. One of those sounds awesome as well. And oh, this Grandeur just started up. Smell weed everywhere over here. Smell comfort sounds pretty nice actually. Very noisy though. Big Bristol. This is 2009 Copeland reciprocating, and this is a 2022 Copeland reciprocating. Still hear that loud one all the way over there. 2020. All the Yorks are quiet. Oh, that one just turned off actually. And the York just turned off. Get a startup. Okay, there's 6 panes and a... Wait, no. Smart Comforts and a Grandeur. That one sounds awesome. Most of these are very quiet. Oh, this is the Grandeur that's running. There's more of these. And this is just like the one that I have from 2019. Very similar to my unit. 2020. All from like 2000 something. It's a Bristol, of course. Or one of these was running. I think maybe it was this one. All these are, they're all identical. Yeah, they all have rotary compressors, and they're from 2000, 2020. Imagine they're all from the same year. So if that's the case, Google Maps is a few years behind, because this building is not showing up on Google Maps. There are all these Goodmans. It's noisy. That one sounds like a wall unit. Oh, it's this one running right here. Non-PCB. Whatever that means. 4 of them there. Yeah. This one's shaking, look at that. Yep, they're all the same. I believe at this point I filmed like every part of this HVAC heaven, because there's this building, there's the business complex over there, there's over there all the other HVAC heavens. Yeah, this area is pretty big. If you're an HVAC enthusiast, definitely come here.